Welcome back, YouTube. I am the one-man clique, the host with the most. You know what I'm saying? Welcome back to another episode of Cadillac Chronicles. Now, this is a new series, and if you don't know what it is, Cadillac Chronicles is pretty much me going through a journey of, you know, fixing up my Cadillac, my 92 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. You know what I mean? I've had it. It's my dream car. I've been working on it, and I can't find a lot of videos on it to do some simple stuff or even other stuff. So I'm gonna take y'all along on a journey with me, so y'all gonna see what it's like. But anyways, today we're gonna be putting the chrome woman on the car, on the hood. We're replacing the hood ornament. And if you don't know what a chrome woman is, it's a Texas thing, but they do it in other places. But we're gonna replace the hood emblem, so just check it out. Now this is the chrome woman that we're gonna replace. We're gonna put on the hood. Hopefully everything works out, man. So let's check it out. But yeah, we're gonna replace the hood ornament right here. So let's pop the hood and get it going. As you can see, there really ain't nothing wrong with it. It's a little old, you know what I'm saying? It's almost 30 years old, but I want to get the chrome woman on it. So we're gonna take all this off, and I've never done it before. But we're gonna take off the bolt from underneath here. Take the spring out, and let's see if we can get that chrome woman on there. Now, to remind you, I've never done this before, so bear with me and let's get it going. Now I took her out of the package, man. Look at it. She look clean, don't she? Now hopefully I don't have too much trouble, man, because the original Cadillac emblem has only got one piece. So I'm gonna see if I can make it work with this. So hopefully everything goes good. And it comes with 2 bolts. You know what I mean? So let's open these up and see how these will work before we even start taking anything off. Okay, so we're pretty much gonna have to screw this in. Screw this in, tighten it up, and then put it on there. Okay, so let's see if we can get that going. Now with this, you can't really, like, you know, it doesn't have a regular head on it, so you're gonna have to do it. You could do it many ways. You could do it with some pliers, but that might mess up your threads. So the way I do it, you're gonna put one nut on there and put another one. Okay. So that bottom nut's gonna stop the top one from going any further, and you tighten it up until it's snug. Okay. When it's snug, don't over tighten it, because then you might mess up the threads on both ends, and then you screw. Okay. So snug it, and then when you get done, you're gonna have a wrench here and a wrench here. The one on the bottom, the nut on the bottom, is gonna keep that bolt from going anywhere, that all thread from going anywhere, and that way you can take your top nut off. And when you get your top nut off, they come off like butter. That way you don't mess up the threads or anything. Okay. I was trying to do it so I could see it, but I already recorded and I don't want to take it off. So just me being lazy. Okay. Now this is not, like, I didn't buy this for a car. I bought this at a truck stop. Okay, so this is meant for a 18-wheeler. You know what I mean? So we're gonna try to make it the best we can. You know, put this piece of rubber over it so it doesn't mess up the paint or anything. Okay. So let's see how it goes, man. Let's go take off the emblem off the car. That was easy. Screwdriver. make sure you save all your parts, because you never know, you might need them. Now as you can see, that hole was bigger than what we're gonna need, so I'm gonna try to use the same emblem right here that we got here. I'm gonna try to take it all apart and use this bottom piece for that chrome woman and see if we can make it work, because that's too big of a hole and it ain't gonna work for what we're trying to do. So let's see what we can make happen. As you can see, we took everything apart, you know what I'm saying? You gotta bend these out to get the spring out. But anyways, it doesn't look like we're gonna be able to use the spring. So, and as you can see, it don't reach all the way out. So I'm gonna have to get another bolt so I can get this longer and tighten it, you know what I mean? So let's see what we're gonna have to come up with. Alright, so postpone for now. I'll get back with y'all when I get everything I need for this.
Much late.
Alright guys, I solved the problem. I went to go talk to my pops, Big Joe, the OG. He's a legend in this lowrider industry. But anyways, another story. You might see him in the video. Haven't made up my mind yet. But anyways, I went to him with my problem, because I was just gonna do it how I know how to do it, but he's done this before, so he helped me out. I'm gonna show you how this is gonna end up. I'm gonna show you how we fixed the problem. But it's gonna be dope. Check it out. So as you can see, we got this piece on there, bolted down with a stainless steel bolt. And then, as you look closely, so it'd be more sturdy, drilled a hole and tapped it, and put another bolt in there, and then cut it so it wouldn't be in the way. So now it's extra sturdy, you know what I mean? Tighten down nice and tight, you know what I mean? So we're gonna put it on now and see how it works out. Now, I'm still new to the whole, you know, customizing cars thing, even though I've been around it all my life. It's just now that I'm older, I'm doing it to my own car. So this is something I wouldn't have known how to do, you know, without experience, you know. So shout out to my pops, Big Joe, you know what I'm saying? And she's on. She looks beautiful. I think she's pretty sturdy, so. Whew, that was it for this episode of Cadillac Chronicles. Let's see what we get into next, man, because this car is a project car, so it's a lot to do, a lot to vlog on it. And like I said, I haven't seen a lot of videos with this type of car, so there's gonna be a lot more videos in. So stay tuned for the next one. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it, and connect with me on social media. I'll leave all the links down in the description. Check out whatever new music I got coming out. I'll leave that in the description too. Appreciate everybody. Shout out to everybody. Hope y'all have a blessed day. And this is Cadillac Chronicles with the one man click.